Hey guys, welcome back to the Lily Knits YouTube channel. I have a really fun and easy crochet blanket tutorial for you today. The Cottage Vibes blanket pattern has been on my website for a while and it is one of my most popular patterns to date. I know you'll love this pattern because you only need to repeat one row once you have completed the setup rows. The first step is to make your foundation chain, and the formula for the foundation chain is to chain an odd number of stitches. So for this video, I'm going to chain 21 stitches just to keep it short, but the pattern calls for 141 stitches for your foundation chain. For row 1, we single crochet in the second chain from the hook and then again in each remaining chain all the way to the end of the row. Once we reach the end of the row, we chain 1 and turn our work. For row 2, we single crochet in the first stitch and then we work an extended double crochet in the next stitch. To make an extended double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. We then yarn over and draw through one loop so you can see one chain is made, and then yarn over and draw through 2 loops twice. And that's an extended double crochet. Continue alternating single crochets and extended double crochets until you reach the end of the row. Now that we've reached the end of the row, we chain 1 and turn our work. So you simply repeat this row over and over again until your blanket reaches your desired length. And you can feel free to add color by, adding in some stripes like the blanket on my blog, or you can just work with one color. Don't forget you can find the full pattern for this stitch and blanket on the Lily Knits website. I've linked to it in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful crochet tutorials.